Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to add your house in Google Maps. So let's start this video. Open your Google Maps. Now click on this contribute option on the bottom right corner. Now click on this add place option over here. Now here you have to give your details of your house. So I will just give my name. Give the name of my house as, and over here you have to select the category, which will be residential. So over here you can select any type of category that you are living in. So I will just select apartment building. After this you have to give your address. So you can also click on this location button, or you can also open this map and click on this edit map location. So for now I will just click on this location button, so my address will be filled automatically. Now click on this add more details, and over here you can give more details such as hours, contact and website, etc. You can also add photos of your house too. After giving those details you have to click on submit. After clicking on submit, Google Maps will receive your location and will review it. After reviewing, Google will get back to you shortly and will notice you whether your location is applicable or not. So this is how it works. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.